To fix a Whirlpool Thin Twin washer that is not draining, there are several potential issues to consider. The problem may be caused by a clogged or kinked drain hose, a clogged drain pump, or a faulty lid switch. Inspecting the drain hose is the first step, as a kink or obstruction can prevent water from being expelled from the washer. Remove the hose and check for blockages, using a long-handled brush or flushing the blockages if necessary. If this does not resolve the issue, the drain pump may be the culprit, as dirt and debris can accumulate over time and hinder water expulsion. Locating and cleaning the drain pump can often fix the problem, but if a noise is present during the drain cycle, it may be necessary to replace the pump. If neither of these solutions works, the lid switch may be faulty, causing the machine to think the lid is open and preventing drainage. Testing the switch for continuity with a multimeter can confirm this, and replacing the switch if necessary should resolve the issue. By following these steps, it is possible to fix a Whirlpool Thin Twin washer that is not draining.